Hello, this is Mike, and you have to indulge the nerd in me, who is going to spend an entire video gushing about this, the Hewlett-Packard 12C, a calculator which was introduced in 1981 and which is still being sold today. It uses 3-button batteries and it has a very long battery life, and it is very small and, to my opinion, very pretty. I really like the solid feel and the feedback click of the keys. HP calculators are famous for their use of the RPN or reverse Polish notation. Note that there is no equal sign keys. To make a calculation, we type the first number, enter, second number, and then the operation. And if we want to keep adding, we keep enter the number and the operation. It sounds weird, but once you get used to it, it actually becomes very easy and I think less prone to errors than using the regular first number, operation, second number, and equal. The HP 12C is a financial calculator, but it has square root, exponents, and all that I really need for daily use. Here, for example, I'm going to calculate an average. First, I clear the average register, and then enter all the numbers, followed by sigma plus, and you can see that it shows the number of data points entered so far. Here, I need to clear and try again because I mistyped. So this is the third data point, and so on. And at the end, I have my 15th data point there. And now I press that key to get the average. It also has stored the square of all the numbers, so it is able to calculate the sample standard deviation. And we can switch back and forth between the two values. The content of all the registers is kept even if the power is off, so I can recall them. Here I am changing the number of decimal being displayed to the maximum, and we can see the calculator kept the values to the top precision of 9 digits. This being a finance calculator, let's do a bit of finance. Let's calculate the monthly payment of loan. So first I'm clearing the financial registers. Clear the X register as well, and let me change the precision to 2 decimal places, that's enough. Now, 30 years means 360 months, 200,000 is the payment value, yeah, that key there, payment value. Now, the final value is 0, which means we want to pay the entire loan, and the percentage yearly is 3.7, so that's 0.3 months per month. And that means that we have a payment of $920.57 per month. The HP 12C has been in production for 45 years, as of 2026, since 1981, with hardly any change except for the internal hardware, which is a bit faster now. It is, as far as I know, the longest produced calculator in history. I found this calculator in a flea market. I paid $15 for it. It sold for about $55 currently on Amazon. I did a bit of research, and the model I have here was made in 1993 in Singapore, and it has the classic first generation architecture with the so-called NUT processor. My attraction for this calculator is maybe a bit irrational, but I can't help finding it super pretty, and I'm not even a finance guy. It's also because probably I have a bit of nostalgia, as I had, when I was a student, an HP calculator, the scientific calculator 41CV, with the same type of keys and the same RPN way of doing calculations. So forgive me, I just love it, can't help. And that's it. Until next time, goodbye.